Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will create Azure SQL in Azure Portal. We create Azure SQL for our learning purpose data factory. So let's create here. Search here Azure SQL, and you can see here Azure SQL. Click on this. An error occurred when trying to fetch resource. Okay, no problem. Click on this create button to create new Azure SQL. Here you can see here different type of database: SQL database, SQL managed instance, and SQL virtual machine. We need to create this one SQL database with single database instance. So let's create this button. Click on this, and you can see here the create SQL database page, and we have a offer for free trial, so up to 32 GB storage. So we apply this offer, and you can also change here, configured as per your requirement. So I am choosing here this offer. We need 32 GB for our learning purpose, and here subscription I am choosing here pay as you go, and click select here resource group. I am choosing here my resource group as we create previously. Database name here I am writing here .db data world solution, and we need to create here server. So let's click on this, and it should be unique name. So write here ms server data world. Database server name should be unique, and its take only lowercase and numeric. So write some meaningful name here, server for data world. Okay, also write here. Okay, region should be, I am selecting here Central India. So here I am selecting Central India. Choose your appropriate region, and authentication type I am here choosing data world. You can also write here admin to data world. Okay, you can copy this username and write in notepad, so don't forget it, and type your password. You can easily remember. Okay, so password is match. Now let's click on this OK button. Not now. And here is the server created. You can configure other compute and storage as per your requirement. We already apply here offer. Okay, so my estimated cost is 0, and if you select any other configure database, then you can see here is auto pause database until next month. We applied it because of this free trial, free database offer we applied. If you don't apply, then you can choose most friendly. You can choose here basic for less demanding, so its estimated cost is 465 per month. So here I am apply our offer. Okay, and this is you get in this offer this configuration. Okay, so apply this, and behavior is free trial. So now let's go to network, and click on this public endpoint to access our database, and choose here firewall rule. Here I am choosing yes, allow Azure service and resource to access this server, and add current client IP address. Okay, you can click yes, and connectivity I leave it as default. Okay, I am not choosing here security purpose any encryption, so leave it by default. Additional security also leave it by default, tag leave it, and create and review. This is the our server configuration and database configuration. So let's create. It's validating, and now it's initializing. Deployment in progress. It's take up to 2 to 3 minutes, so let's pause for now. When this completed, then we resume it. Here database deployment is completed. You can see here the deployment is succeeded. Let's close it, and now go to resource group. It's take up to 1 to 2 minutes, maximum 3 minutes, so you need to wait. Now you can see here, this is the server name. You can connect using this server name address, and this is the connection address, connection string, and all detail you can see here. Now go to this query editor to learn. Here is the admin to data world, and you can type, or you can, let's click on this. You can see the query editor page. So let's collapse this table. So go to here, and let's create some table, customer table on this server, this database. Let's run this query. So here table is created successfully. Maximize it, and let's validate first. Select a star from customer data, and run again. Click on this. Here is there is no data till now, so let's insert some sample data into customer table. Let's click on this. You can see here 5 row affected, and now let's run this again. You can see here the 5 record available in this table. So let's go to again this home page, and let's connect. Okay, discard. Go to Azure, click on this database. Let's copy this server name, and here search. We already installed SQL Server Management Studio. We want to connect this server into SQL Server Management Studio. So let's open this SQL Server Management Studio to run query easily on this editor. Here SQL Server Management Studio opening. Open, and type here this server name, which you can see here, server for data world solution dot database dot window. We type here, copy and paste here, and authentication, here is the username. My username is, we already copy on this notepad, copy and paste here, and you need to choose here SQL Server authentication, and type here password as you put in while configuration of server. So let's connect, and this server is connected, and you can see the database you created, db underscore data world solution, and in this database we already create customer data table. So you can see here, let's query. Here db data world solution use already, and select here, select star from customer data. Okay, and click on this execute button to run. You can see here 5 record available in this table. So if you want to delete this database after usage, again go to SQL Server and select all, and you can delete using, click on this delete and delete, click on this. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.